My name's Tom, I'm with Supreme Surface, and today we're going to restore a composite sink. Of course, dull, faded, but this is advanced restoration using an abrasive. Etch marks, burns, pits, gouges, deep scratches from your composite sink. We're going to use our 3-step plus abrasive option. Follow along, here's how. When using the blue pad, you'll get a lot further before you see dull spots than you will if you're using a green or a black or an abrasive like this. This is a 80 grit screen pad. From this point, I'll just go right to the reset, which is the Supreme Surface Scum and Mineral Deposit Remover. Low pH cleaner that removes mineral buildup, soap scum, grease, hard water deposits. Key functions: prepares the surface by removing contamination and revealing the true surface condition. Just kind of agitate the surface. I really want the surface to be deep cleaned and primed. I can use an abrasive at this point, but I don't need to. I'm just wanting to clean it. Before going to step 2, it's very important to make sure you use the abrasive to the surface condition you desire. You see how I'm just cleaning the sink right now? Honestly, you see how it looks pretty good? The color and all that looks good underneath it, just like this. If your sink looks good wet, but not good dry, we're going to take care of that in the next step, which is step 2, heal, restore surface performance. Right now we have to finish what we started here, but you should be getting excited if your sink looks this good wet. All right, I think that's about all I'm going to have to do right here. Turn on some water and give it a good rinse, okay? Step 1 reset is the Scum and Mineral Deposit Remover right here. So, not exclusively for these sinks. You can use the Scum and Mineral Deposit Remover, you know, showers, sinks, dirty ground. What you'll notice, it looks good with a damp sink, right? I don't see the scratches really. Well, I do see a little bit, but if you look real close in there, you can still kind of see them a little bit. So I guess I can sand it more, but I know when I'm done, you're not going to see that. So I'm going to leave it. It does not have to be perfect. It just has to be acceptable to you. If we want to make it perfect, I can, well, I think it's going to look pretty close to perfect anyway, but look at that. Okay. This is what it looks like damp. And when it's thoroughly dry, it's going to become dull, kind of chalky, hazy. Right now you can see some of that occurring right now. You see that? As it dries, it's just going to lighten up. Step 2, heal, right here. Supreme Surface Restore, Revive, and Refresh Composite Sink Treatment. You see that before shot? And then the after, right? This is before. With clear abrasive damage, which we're using the abrasive in a positive way. We're using 80 grit screen pad for etch marks, scratches, and small pits. You know, you just sand them out. You can do it by hand for real mild stuff, but we used an electric sander. If you have questions or if you need help, you can call or text us right here. My name's Tom. You'll probably talk to me. Follow along. You have a couple of ways of doing this. You can put the sprayer on and just in a lucrative fashion spread it or spray it around the sink. All right. We're going to spread it and remove all the excess. So we sprayed it on. We're spreading it with this sponge thing. See how it's starting to expand? Right, it's removing all the excess. That's a good thing. The other way to do it, let's use a sheet of paper towel and see how it goes. Let's take this. You can, the first couple of applications, I'll spray it on pretty good. All right. Just like that. Restore, revive, and refresh. Composite sink treatment, this paper towel. And just kind of spread it with this paper towel. Keeping it thin, no thick layers. Right? Some people like to use a brush. Some people like to use a roller. Some people like to spray it. You know, I've always kind of spread it with a sponge. And if you have too much on there, just, you know, wipe it off with a paper towel like you see me doing here. Super easy. This is after 2 applications using Supreme Surface Restore, Revive, and Refresh Composite Sink Treatment. It heals the surface of this sink. We used an option, the 80 grit screen pad and the green textured pad. So we've used abrasives on here to remove etch marks, scratches, and inconsistent surface texture. We're gonna let this thoroughly dry and add another application. Another option is to just dip a sponge into the solution and wipe. This is my 3rd application. I thought I'd do it a little differently than I did in the beginning. Last time I sprayed it. This time I'm putting a lot of solution on. I just dip it in the solution and rub it in, okay? Now, I am not going to leave it like this. What's really important to do here is to remove all excess when I'm finished.